Reporting for the Free Press Journal, this is Anisha bringing you the latest from the Lok Sabha elections 2024. Today, Maharashtra enters its fifth phase of voting with the bustling city of Mumbai at the center of action. We are currently stationed in Bandra area where enthusiasm among voters is palpable. Since early morning, citizens have been queuing up, celebs have been coming here eager to cast their votes and shape the future. The energy is infectious with people prioritizing democracy over daily tasks. Let's dive in and hear directly from the voters what concerns are foremost in their mind and what changes are they hoping to see as a result of this election. Stay tuned as we delve into the thoughts and the aspirations of the Mumbai electorate. Expectations from the upcoming government? Any expectations from the upcoming government?
I just pray and wish that the taxation comes down and stuff like that. So,
What do you expect from the upcoming government?
Well, that's a very big question.
Just anything that you feel India faces.
The best will come. I just told them that the best has to win, and we are really looking, you look up to the person who comes because he's the one who's going to rule our country. And I think the best will happen.
Especially जब हम नेशनल इलेक्शन के लिए वोट करते हैं, हम देश के बारे में सोचते हैं, देश के भविष्य के बारे में सोचते हैं. But also candidate is important because वो local issues भी हमारे साथ बहुत मायने रखता है. So I think it's both the combination of local issues and national issues for which I voted.
And progress, of course. देश में जो progress हो रहा है और आशा करता हूँ कि वैसे ही होता रहे.
Well, I hope that what we want to happen, the progress that we want to see, the literacy, for example, a decrease in crime rate, rapes, all that has to happen.
I think on the top of the world, as far as the map is concerned, because it is already progressing. India is recognized today. A country which was called a country of tigers and magicians is now competing with world economy. It's on top of the charts, getting there. So the government which is responsible for this, I think I would expect a government of this kind to come and, further work towards the progress.